Cheers for having us. No problem. I'm back and I'm gonna vlog a little bit. This video is sponsored by St Germain. You guys saw we went to France with them. We harvested the elderflowers and such an amazing experience. So I want to introduce all the girls to St Germain and I want to have a little girls night. And so I've invited the girls over to have a little summer kickoff, a little patio time, but I actually need to like redo my patio. I need to get my patio sorted out because it is disastrous. I'm gonna get some new patio furniture. I'm gonna make it really cute and cozy, and then all the girls are gonna come over for a little girls night. So first up was finding some inspo for the patio. I just went online and did some scrolling and found different aspects from other people's patios that would work on my ugly Toronto patio. I love that awning, but like can't do that. But found some good inspo, and then I found some good furniture, did some measuring, and found pieces that fit. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know the whole patio furniture cushion debacle that happened. So I did have to buy some cushions in the interim while I figured out the whole cushion situation, but I did get it figured out. It was restocked. We are all good. So this is my patio before. It was very dirty. And I did get my patio professionally cleaned, which is honestly like a life hack for saving time and like blood, sweat, and tears. I really recommend it because they do the windows. They just make the patio feel like so sparkly and clean. And it was great. They also have like power washers, which I don't own. So this was amazing. And I'm very happy I didn't have to do it myself. And it looked so good after. The patio furniture got delivered. It was so heavy and they didn't actually bring it out, so we had to unpackage it and bring it out to the balcony, and it was just very heavy, but it looked so good, fit perfectly. We got these little boxes with some fake plants because I can't take care of plants, and then I set up a little charcuterie kind of situation for the girls outside. I just wanted to make it really cute. I got these string lights and it feels very cozy. I actually really love it out there now, and I'm really proud with how it turned out. I think it's amazing. And obviously I had to get the St Germain to put in the shot. So tonight's the night. All the girls are coming over, and we're gonna make the St Germain Margarita because that was the most delicious drink that we had on the trip. If you didn't watch my last video, which you should, St Germain is a French elderflower liqueur, and all of the elderflowers are hand-picked in the hillsides of Europe, which is what we were doing in the last vlog. So I'm really excited to make this drink and show it to all my friends because it's so delicious, and I feel like it's gonna be the drink of the summer. So this drink is really simple. I never make cocktails. The first time I think I made a cocktail was in France, and so not that many ingredients, which we really like, very easy to make. You start off with the St Germain elderflower liqueur. Of course, you need some tequila, some fresh lime juices, and a few limes just for some lime wedges. And then we have some fun garnishes just to kind of make the drinks cute. I have these really fun little plastic glasses for we're gonna go outside, and then all the things that we need to make them. So when the girls come, we're gonna make the cocktails. Tonight we have Leva, Sharon, and Sasha coming, my only friends. And we're just gonna have a little girls' night and have some drinks and chat, and it's gonna be fun. This is like the best part of summer, is that you can like sit on a patio and enjoy drinks. My balcony's all set up now. It's warm in Toronto. It's gonna be great. Hey!
Cloud coat.
Why are you in the summer now?
Or low. Have you guys seen the severe weather warning on Apple? It's like, do not go outside.
So what we're gonna make is the St Germain Margarita, and it's really good.
I'm pumped.
All right.
Show us what you got.
So have you had it before?
No, I've never.
Have you had St Germain before?
Yeah, I have had.
Okay, you've had St Germain.
Yeah,
It's not the
yeah,
Margarita.
no.
Yeah, but it makes
Have
you.
No, I've never had it. What is it?
No, St Germain's like a elderflower liqueur.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So perfect for mixing
Yeah.
and summer cocktails.
So we're gonna make a margarita. Okay.
Yeah, whip it up.
So welcome to my bar.
Did you purposely buy this cacti shot glass?
Sasha bought it for me when she was in Mexico.
Okay.
So how's your Wednesday?
Good.
How's
I think like the worst. From high school.
Oh, you don't have to shake it? What? Shut the fuck up. We get it, you're a bartender. when I first did it, I went like, I was like, what are you doing? I'm stirring it.
Cheers.
I told him to get it, and then I was like,
more like
it doesn't affect him.
it does affect. Cheers.
Thanks for having us.